In this video, I'll show you how to use the Base44 mobile app step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Base44 and press search. Once you find the app, tap on the install button and wait for it to download. After the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. When you open the app, tap the Get Started button and you'll see the login screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials, such as Google or your email and password, to sign in. If you're new, tap on the Sign Up option. Now, enter your email, create a password, and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll see a message, "Hi, what will you build next?" Below that, there's a text box where you can describe the app you want to create. You can either type your app idea or use templates for inspiration. To create an app, tap on the input box, then type your idea. For example, a task manager app or expense tracker. Then tap on the arrow button to continue. You can also use the plan option or voice input if available. Next, tap on the Apps tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all the apps you've created. If you don't have any apps yet, tap on the Create New App button at the top to create one. You can also search apps, sort by last updated, last created, name A to Z or Z to A, switch between grid and list view. Next, tap on the Templates tab at the bottom. This section provides ready-made app ideas. You can search for templates, filter by categories like marketing and sales, operations, or data. Choose from different app types. For example, you might see a task management flow template. Simply tap on any template to preview and use it. At the top left, tap the menu icon to access more options such as integrations, hire a partner, become an affiliate, spotlight, docs, and support. On the top right, tap the bell icon to check notifications and latest updates. Tap your profile icon to manage your account, invite members, or upgrade your plan. Here's a quick tip. If you're not sure what to build, use the template section. It saves time and gives you ready-to-use ideas. That's it. Now you know how to use the Base44 mobile app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.